You can expect a lot from the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated front and rear seats, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.